Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have some really cute purses that I love, but do you know what I find myself reaching for pretty much every single day?
This adorable sling bag is by INICAT, and I have it here in the apricot color. And I am so obsessed. Look how convenient this is. You can adjust that strap, you can switch sides if you want, and then you can also adjust the length of the strap. So depending on what you're using it for, what you're wearing it with, you're able to fully adjust that. I'm obsessed with this apricot color. It's like a nice cream. I think it is so elegant. So it has the two zippered sections, and each section has different pockets. You're able to fill this, fit so much in it. It even has little card slots, so it really serves as a wallet. I'm able to easily fit my phone, and it's so convenient to just take things out when you're on the go. I use this as my #1 go-to when traveling. It's so cute, but also keeps you hands-free. It keeps everything that you need that's important to you nice and close to your body. You can wear it on the front of your body so you know where your belongings are and you feel nice and safe. I can fit everything that I need in here, and it's not too bulky, and everything is just within reach. So convenient for travel. I cannot recommend it enough, but also just for everyday activities. I think it looks adorable and I am so in love with it.
I am so obsessed with this sling bag. I genuinely want to get it in every single color. It's kind of a problem. I think that it is the perfect go-to whether you're traveling or you're just running about town, running everyday errands. I am so obsessed with it, and I think that you will be too. I can't recommend it enough, but that's just my point of view.